Hey, do you want to impress your friends and family this Christmas, but you don't have a lot of cooking experience? Then watch this. We are making the easiest, most impressive shepherd's pie today. And the best part is, we'll try to make it as simple as possible. Because Christmas is already stressful enough.
Perfect.
Here's what you need. A pound of ground meat, some potatoes, eggs, onion, garlic, bell peppers, peas, and half a carrot for that rich color. Let's start chopping now. I like to do all my choppings beforehand, so that it's easier when I'm cooking. And for all my fellow bachelors out there, I'll tell you, this is the game changer. Because if you're like me and cannot chop like professionals, I'd say give this a lot of time.
Isn't that ironical? An Indian is cooking a British dish.
While we chop our vegetables, I'm gonna let the potatoes boil in the background. Now it's time to grate the carrot. Just give it a wash and peel before you start grating. I'm also soaking my frozen peas here so they're softened up a little bit.
You want me to chop some carrots for you?
I also make separate bowls for each vegetable so it's easier to manage. After we're done with the chopping and grating, it's time to prepare the main filling. Add some butter to your heated pot and some cumin seed for that flavor. Once melted, add your garlic and cook till it's brown. Add your chopped onions and cook till it's golden. Also keep an eye on those potatoes. These ones are not done yet. Just a side note, I usually don't follow any recipes, just go with the flow. Coming back to your pot, let's add half of your bell peppers now and cook for a few minutes. Add your meat now and keep stirring so that it doesn't stick or burn. Some rosemary and thyme for that holiday fragrance and season it according to you. I use paprika and some Indian spices because I like some kick in there. Then goes the grated carrot and peas with some tomato paste after it's cooked for a while. Just hang in there guys, it's almost done. Stir it a bit and add a cup of broth of your choice so that it cooks in there for a bit while we work on our potatoes. After peeling, mash them well. Then add your milk, cheese, eggs and salt. As you can see, I'm just eyeballing all the stuff here. But if you want me to be more specific in my videos, let me know in the comments below. And now it's time to use all of your forearm strength and make a nice creamy texture out of this. Our meat is also done here. It's time to assemble. Layer the meat followed by the potatoes and cheese. And in it goes for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until it's nice and golden like this. And there it is, a show-stopping homemade meal that looks like you spent hours in the kitchen. You can serve it with gravy and steamed vegetables on the side, but for us, this was just too much to eat. If you want more easy recipe ideas, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more. Happy holidays and see you in the next one.
British people are so weird. They steal all the spices in the world, and then for breakfast they have bread and toast. I didn't say that.